Hey guys, I'll just take a minute. I took a little bit of a hiatus from my phone and my social media over the Christmas holiday, and I apologize if I missed some messages or whatnot. I just was kind of doing my family thing, but I wanted to take a minute and wish you guys all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. We're getting ready to do the New Year. Give you guys a quick shop walk around, let you know what I'm up to. So I've been kind of bouncing back and forth between the house shop and the Dallas shop. We're getting super close to the pink up being done. Nick and Daniel from Nixon Rods and Rides came over and we helped me put the bed back on the pink up last week. The entire bed underside has been undercoated, cab's undercoated, everything's set back on the frame. She's ready to go. All this is ready for a final coat of primer, and then we're going to blast some pink sparklies on her. So she's real close. Everything at the house is done and ready for the last coat of primer. So here in the next couple of weeks, this thing will be down the road. The 4Runner, yes, the 4Runner is still here. We ordered some new factory stainless for the windshield and decided that we're just going to go ahead and put a stock windshield back in it. So I got in contact with a glass guy who was supposed to be here today, actually. So there's all the new trim. He's supposed to be here today, and one of his clients last week got tested positive for COVID, so he's in quarantine for the next week or so. He said on Monday he'll be able to come out. He's got all the supplies, materials needed to do it now, and he knows what he's doing. So he just told him to stay home, so he's staying home. Nash is back here, still chilling on the back burner. We got the MK3 Mark III Supra inside. This is going to be a 450 wheel horse build. This is a 2JZ VTI GTE. It's the good one. It's got some bottom end noise. I think maybe a wrist pin came loose or something. So we're going to yard the whole thing out, and we're going to build it all from the bottom end. We're going to put a single swirly boy on here and clean her all up and shave some stuff in the engine bay, clean the wiring up, and get this thing back on the road for the client. I got a little Mercedes in here. This is a return customer that a couple months ago I did a paint the roof and fender and some front end parts on a Hyundai. This is another one of his that he needs the shifter replaced, and he just couldn't figure out how to get that shifter in and out of there. So that's supposed to be here on the 2nd, and then that thing will be out of here. El Camino, there's core support down here on the floor. El Camino's pretty well stripped down on the front end. We finished this driver's side frame rail today. Got it cleaned up, and the firewall's cleaned up and seams are clean. So we're going to start prepping her for coatings and rust treatment starting next week, and hopefully we can get all this and the core support taken care of and painted. Floor pans are ordered. They're supposed to be here the 5th, so we'll get floor pans cut out here shortly and take this to the next phase. Blue Buick, 1968 Buick Skylark Custom. This was a lucky find on Marketplace by the owners, and they kind of know what they got. It's not nothing like super rare, super special, but it's special to them. And it's a really nice car, really good condition inside and out. So it's got some bunk stuff. It was a vinyl roof car, and so it's got some stuff in the windshield areas and under the trim, and there's some quarter panel rust issues down here. And so we're just going to start in on this one a little bit at a time. The client kind of gave me a budget to work with, so we're just going to work with his budget and work with his hours, and then as the project comes along and as the budget permits, we'll bring it to fruition. Eventually it's going to get full body and paint, I do believe, but right now we want to just seal it up, get it on the road, and make sure that it's weather tight. So next week glass is going to go in this thing, and then the 4Runner will go away. Paint Cup will go over the paint booth, so those two will be out. That's coming in on the 2nd, so that'll be taken care of next week. So 1, 2, 3 will go out, and then I'm going to bring the green 4Runner in, and I'm going to make one more phone call. I've got a yellow Jeep YJ that's waiting for a slot. We'll bring the 4Runner and the YJ in for full body and paint. We got these two over here for rust coatings, rust treatment, body work, old car things. And we've got these two ready for paint. This one's done with paint. Supra's over there, ready to be disassembled. And the Nash is a go when the client says it's a go. Oh, and the last one. What's supposed to be in the slot for the Mercedes is the Chevy short wide, and I have the engine here, and I have the transmission and transfer case, torque converter, all that good stuff over here. So when the Mercedes goes out on the 2nd, that's where the Chevy should be sitting. So Chevy will be sitting right there. We'll put an engine in the Chevy, we'll take an engine out the Supra. This one goes away, that one goes to paint, this one's getting painted, this one's getting started process, and then in these two empty slots, there's gonna be a 4Runner, not that one, the green one, and a YJ. So that's where I'm at, guys. I can't say enough about call it what it is, the love and support you guys have shown me. I've been in this building for a year, and as you see, I'm kind of tiptoeing around it because we're full. So, from the bottom of my heart, I just appreciate you guys more than I can put into words. This is a small family-run business, and I just kind of stepped out on my own and decided to get into a bigger facility to try to accommodate some of the extra volume you guys were giving me, and volume came up even beyond that, and that's a testament to you guys. So I just appreciate the hell out of you guys. And anyway, hope you guys have a happy holidays. Happy New Year. Stay safe, stay healthy. I know we're all looking forward to 2021, and we'll get back out there soon. Much love, guys. I'll talk at you soon. Take care.